In this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy or move your Windows system from one drive to another. So if your current hard drive or SSD is getting old, slow, or might fail soon, and you want to shift everything to a new drive before that happens, this method will help you. You can also use it if you are upgrading to a bigger SSD or just want to move your Windows setup to a different drive. Before we start, make sure you connect your new SSD to your system. You can install it directly on your motherboard or connect it using a USB adapter or external enclosure. Just make sure the drive is properly detected before you begin. First, we open Disk Management just to check our current setup. You can see here we have a 237GB C drive where Windows is installed, along with the system and recovery partitions that Windows creates by itself while installing. Now, we also have a second drive, an 464GB unallocated drive, and this is where we will clone our Windows system to show you how it works. We will be using a free tool called Disk Genius, and it makes the whole process very simple. Just go to your browser and search for Disk Genius. Open first website from results. Now, simply click on Download button to start downloading. When downloading finishes, right-click on File and open it. Here, choose your language and click Next. Accept the terms and click Next again. Now, choose Drive where you want to install it and click Next. Now, uncheck second option and close it. Disk Genius will now open automatically. If it doesn't, then open it from Desktop Shortcut. Accept the terms of use and click OK. Inside the tool, there is an option called OS Migration, which we will use for cloning Windows. We select our source drive, which is 237GB Windows drive, and then choose the target drive, which is the 464GB disk. Now, click on OS Migration. Choose your target disk and click OK. Now, it will show source disk and target disk. Make sure to choose to use the full space of the new drive so nothing goes to waste. After that, we will start the process. The tool will warn us that everything on the target drive will be deleted, so make sure it is empty or does not contain important data. Then we choose the migration method. We will run it directly inside Windows using hot migration, which is easier and does not require restarting into another mode. Now the software will create a snapshot and start copying everything from the old drive to the new one. This process may take a few minutes depending on your system size, so wait until it finishes. Once it is done, it will show Migration Complete message. Just click OK and close software. Once the cloning process is complete, restart your PC. After that, go into the boot menu or BIOS settings and set the new cloned drive as the first boot option. Save the changes and restart the system again. When your PC boots up, it will now load Windows from the new drive. All your files, settings, and installed apps will stay exactly the same as before. The only difference is that now your Windows is running from the new SSD or hard drive. That's it. Your system has successfully moved to the new drive and everything should be working perfectly. If this video helped you, then make sure to like it, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share your feedback and comments. See you in next video.